Hello everyone, I am Animesh Verma. I secured a 38th rank in the UPSC Civil Services exam 2023. Uh, Actually, I was born and brought up in Lucknow itself, so I completed my whole schooling from Jaipura School in Lucknow. After that, I pursued BTech in Electrical Engineering from IT Delhi and graduated in 2022. So in this video, we will try to cover the prelim strategy. As we know, these days, especially the last time, the prelims paper, both the GS and CSAT was quite tricky and dicey. So we'll try to cover some strategy related to this in this video. So I would like to start with in prelims, you need to you do not need to score the highest marks or score 200, 150 or 120. You just need to get through the cutoff with some margin like 5 to 10 marks. And I would like to say that in prelims you just need to be thorough with some basic standard books for prelims, like we all know for Lakshmikant for polity, Spectrum modern history, art and culture from NCRT or Nitin Singhania. So after when you complete these books, the first reading, you just need to keep on revising them again and again, because uh, you need to be thorough with these, because uh, uh, the chances of questions being asked from these books are quite high usually, especially the easy questions and medium level questions must be targeted by the candidates, and people should not worry about those tough questions, because the syllabus of this prelims exam is not very and specific and well defined. So I would say 2 3 revisions of these standard books, plus when I talk about current affairs. So if you look at the latest emerging trend, then current affairs usually the weightage is not very high, and in last year also the current affairs questions were not much asked. So I would say you should cover maximum, you should utilize maximum 15 20% of your daily study time to current affairs at max, not more than that, which can include daily newspaper reading and either handwritten, making handwritten notes, or referring to, also refer to very limited, in a limited way, to current affair magazines from different institutes. So the next thing about prelims is that is the mock test. So you must be giving mock tests, especially 2 3 months before the actual prelims. Students are usually advised to start giving mock tests for both GS paper 1 and paper 2 CSAT as well. So in this mock test, I like to say that uh, since the cutoff is also getting quite low these days, so candidates should not get worried about getting too low marks like 50s 60s, because I myself and my friends also used to get around 50s 60s marks sometimes in abhyas test or prelim mock text. But also a large fluctuation is observed in these prelims mock tests. Like sometimes I used to get 50s 60s, sometimes 70s 80s, and sometimes 90s 100s as well. So it is important to know that it is absolutely normal if you get a large fluctuation because of the sheer objectivity of the paper. Just one small mistake and it cost you around 2.66 marks. So it absolutely okay. And I would like to say that uh, to never get bogged down by low marks in any prelims mock paper, because the actual UPSC prelims in which you are going to write will be quite different from these coaching mocks, because UPSC generally tends to filter out these types of questions UPSC also has access to these coaching mocks easily accessible on Telegram. So you should never uh, feel that whatever I'm giving right now in mock test will exactly be reflected in the actual UPSC. So just stay open minded. There will definitely be simple, easy questions as well. And even if you solve 80 to 90% of easy questions and 50-60% of medium questions, and I think you can easily get through the cutoff, and you shouldn't really fret about those tough questions. Now when I talk about the CSAT paper, so when I compare the CSAT paper of 2022 and the next year 23, so a huge variation can be seen in terms of difficulty, especially with respect to the mathematics and quant part. And though the English passages were quite similar, but uh, both have their own challenges. I would like to say that again, you are not needed to score 150 or 180. You just need to score a minimum of 66 in the CSAT paper, and you can easily modify your strategy based on your own personal strengths. Like for example, if you are from humanities background, not very adept in maths, so you can formulate a strategy where you uh, tend to attempt more of English comprehension passages and little less of maths part. And in those maths part, you can target those easy questions which are always asked irrespective of which year the prelims is. So and on the other hand, if someone is strong in maths, then he or she can target more of that maths part and less of English comprehension, because English tends to be quite subjective as well, where they ask the what is the most suitable crux of the passage, or the most appropriate message the author wants to convey. So two thick options are quite close, and it really becomes challenging to find the one exact answer. So I would also like to say, uh, for GS paper one, while you attempt the paper, I usually personally attempted the paper in 2 to 3 rounds. So in first round, I usually attempted those questions which I was completely sure of, and tried to eliminate all the questions all the options which I know they are wrong. So I put a cross mark in front of them. So I tried to eliminate the options, and uh, in the next round, after this first round, I tend to fill the OMR sheet, and it also helped me give a little break, because after going through the whole 100 questions, the brain also needs some rest. So after filling the MR quickly, how I usually was able to attempt about 30 questions in round one. So in the next round, you can just try to again go through those questions where you were able to eliminate two options or eliminate one option. So this was my strategy, and also you can go through your own intuitions and your own guesses as well, because even in those 50-50 questions, you can even if you make random guesses, you are more likely to get a good result because of one third negative marking only. So also at the end of second round as well, I did the same thing. I tried to uh, like count the total number of questions attempted, and if I found out that yes, I'm satisfied with the total number of questions attempted, I did not go with the third round. And third round, I usually, if needed, I used to attempt those questions in which I eliminated only one option, and try to just try to think with the go with the feeling which I feel is the most correct feels like the correct option. So this was my strategy.